Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be making Supreme Super Nachos in the Instant Pot. These are the ingredients. In our Instant Pot, we add 1 cup of water, 1 pound of ground beef. Mine is already previously cooked. It's way easier. We also add 1 pound of pinto beans, previously cooked, or you can use from a can. I also have 1 can of diced tomatoes and half a can of El Pato sauce. This is a little bit hot, spicy. If you want, you can put all of this can in there or none. This is optional. We also start adding all of our seasonings: salt, pepper, cumin, paprika, cayenne pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, and just a little pinch of oregano. And we give this a quick stir. We close our Instant Pot to sealing, not venting, sealing, and we set it up pressure cook manual to 2 minutes. When our 2 minutes are up, we then do a quick release. Be careful, this is hot. Okay, it is done. It is safe to open our Instant Pot. We give it a little stir, and then what I like to do is to put my Instant Pot on Sauté mode just to get rid of the liquid, just a little bit, not too much. If you don't have an Instant Pot, you can always do this on stovetop. Now, I tasted mine and it did need a little bit of salt. This is optional, like I said, just taste it. If it needs more seasoning, go ahead and add it. Now we are ready to put our Supreme Super Nachos together. This is what I like to do. I like to put my tortilla chips on a plate, add Nacho Cheese, and then add our meat that we just did on the Instant Pot or on the stove top. And then I just like to add all my toppings: lettuce, tomato, green onion, a little bit of sour cream. This sour cream that I'm putting in is homemade. In the description box below, I'll add the recipe. It's only 2 ingredients. Super, super easy. I also like to add jalapeno to my Supreme Nachos. You can add whatever you have on hand. You can also add black olives. A lot of people add black olives or avocado. I didn't have any avocado, but you can always add whatever you like. And this is the final result. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this recipe as much as I did. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up. Enjoy, guys.